Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Rudolph. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the bottom of Rudolph's head. So I'm going to start right here in the middle of my paper and draw a big oval shape. And then near the top of that, I'm going to draw a smaller oval, and that will be Rudolph's nose. All right, next let's draw the top part of Rudolph's head. So I'm going to start here on the left side, and I'm going to draw a curved line that goes up and back around. All right, and right in the middle, we're going to draw two ovals for eyes. And then we can draw smaller ovals on the inside for like the highlight part of the eye. All right, next let's draw the ears. I'm going to start on the left side, and we're going to draw a curved line going out and back in. And then we're going to make that same shape on the inside. So that will be the inside part of the ear. All right, and let's do the same on the right. Okay, now pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, we're going to keep on going. Next, we're going to draw Rudolph's antlers. So we're going to start our antler right above the ear, and we're going to draw a line that goes out, curves up, and then in, and then up, and in, and then we'll draw one more, and then connect it. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Start right above the ear. Draw your big line going out, curve it up, and then back down, and up, and back down, and then we'll draw a small little horn there and connect it. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks so cute. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.